I am Navin Reddy from GPT Kataram Polytechnic from 4th SEM EC branch. Today I am going to explain about an anger management. First, anger. It is not good for us to get an anger. When we are in anger, we should not do such a things. When we are anger, we will not take a good decisions in the anger time. So today we are going to explain about the anger management and how to decrease the anger. What is the disadvantage for anger? So the contents: what is anger, cause of anger, symptoms of anger, effect of anger, controlling anger. Conclusion: today we discuss this agenda. Okay, let's go to the topic. What is anger? What is anger? Anger is a strong feeling of irritation about something. Anger is a strong feeling irritation about something. When we are in anger, we get irritation. Due to that irritation, we will feel something bad, and in that time, we should not take decisions about good things. In that we are in when we are in anger, we take a good decisions. That decisions may be wrong in that anger time. So when we are cool, we should take such a good decisions. Now, what is anger? It is an anger is a strong feeling of irritation about something. Okay, next, cause of anger. When we are getting an anger, we lose something, that is losing patience. When we lose patience, when we are in anger, we lose patience. So by that losing of patience, we scold someone by irritation or etc. Stress, we feel stress when we are in anger. And frustration, we get frustration, and we such in that cases we do fight also with others when if anybody irritate us. And next, irritation. Most we get irritation when we talk to us, or we when we want to talk to others. That is irritation. More, we know that one quotation is never reply to a letter when you are angry. So suppose when we want to give a resume for a jobs or etc for joining for a job, that such a things we should not do when we are in anger. And more, it is one type of a quotation. And a mastic as a head but not a brain, anger prevention kit. It is one of the anger prevention quotation. More, anger is 1 liter shorter of danger. Anger is a most danger thing. When we are in anger, we should not do anything. We should keep quiet and sit in another place to till decrease the anger. In anger time, if we do anything that may cause danger to us, we may fall in the danger. So better to keep quiet and sit in one place when we are angry to till that decrease. More, you will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. That you will not punished by for your anger. Anger will be punished by you. When we are in anger, that we will get the punishment from the anger, but we are not punished by the anger. So this is one of the type of the quotation. Now, symptoms of anger. When we are in anger, we get a headache, pressure in headache, pressure in senses cavities, heart palpitations, increasing blood pressure, tightening of chest, tingling. Such a symptoms we get when we are in anger. So we get such a symptoms when we are in anger. So to decrease an anger, we should do some things to talk with someone about something or etc. This is the symptoms of the anger, like headaches, pressure in headache, etc. etc. We get such a things when we are in anger. Now, this is a one type of the quotation. Getting angry means setting fire to your own wealth. Getting anger means we are falling in the danger. That is the thing. Sitting on the fire means when we get an anger, we fall in dangers. The danger is like falling on the fire or etc. It is a one type of the quotation. Effects of anger. Effects of anger means when we get an anger or we fall, we get health problems, like headache, etc. why when we are in anger, we if we speak to relations or any others, we lose our relations with others, etc. And if we are in company, if we are getting angry, if we fight with the manager or other colleagues, we loss of our opportunities like losing of job, etc. Anger destroys career. Yes, anger destroys career. Mostly when we are in anger, we should not participate in most important things. By participating in most important things, we lost our career. We get in one of the bad name in our society. Anger can make you lose your focus. Yes, when we get in an anger, we cannot focus. On the. We cannot focus any other things. So we lost our focus. This is the effects of anger. So we should not try to get anger. If we get anger, we should we should keep quiet, and we should not do any other important things in that anger. It is better to us. Or more, control your anger. Don't let it control you. Control your anger. We should control our anger, but don't it should not control us. Harm caused by anger may never be repaired. Suppose when we are in angry, we speak to someone rashly, that words cannot come return to us. If we speak anything wrong, that words cannot bring us reverse. So we should think and speak to others. A claim discussion is better than angry argument. Short-term anger leads to long-term remorse. Yes, if you suppose we with our friends or colleagues, if we speak any wrong words in our angry, so after we are getting cool out of angry, then we think why we spoken with them like that, and that they will not get to others. Anger makes a poor basics for decisions. Holding on anger is drinking poison. Expect the other person to die. Yes, holding an anger, it is drinking a poison. It is correct. Anger can be a good thing. It's a mechanism that your brain uses to get you lot of situations that you are bad for you in terms of leading a peaceful life. It's not very productive. Anger can be a good thing. It's a mechanism that your brain uses to get you out of situations that are bad for you in terms of leading a peaceful life. It's not very productive to us. Controlling anger. These are the steps we should take to control our anger. Get some exercises like yoga. Think you before you speak. Like yoga, if you take like yogas or etc., we can decrease our anger. When we are angry, we should think before speaking to the others. If without thinking we are speaking to others, then we cannot get our words to reverse. So before speaking to others, we should think and speak. When we are in anger, when you get anger, close your eyes for 10 to 20 seconds. Yes, when we get an anger, just sit in a one place and close our eyes and refresh your mind. Then you can get out from your anger. Identify possible solutions. Means when you are in anger, you identify some possible solutions. Seeing some jokes in YouTube, or seeing about others inspirational stories, or reading other stories, or reading imagines magazines, etc. Control your feelings. When you are angry, control your feelings first of all. Don't exceed your feelings. Okay, next, anger rules. It is okay to be angry, but don't hurt others. Okay, when you are angry, don't hurt others, don't hurt yourself, and don't hurt property. Talk about how you feel when you are angry. Okay, but if you are angry, it is your problem, but don't hurt others, and don't hurt yourself also. Don't hurt property. Anger can damage your personal and professional life. Yes, if we are in anger, that's surely it will damage our property or our personal life, etc. Conclusion: anger itself is in order or normal. Excessive and uncontrolled anger is destructive. Means when we are in anger, that we should control your anger first of all. So when we are in anger, we should not involve in important matters, or we should not speak to other in anger way. So till we decrease our anger, we should not speak to any others. To we should not speak to any others, and we should try to reduce our anger, like taking that type of a controlling of our anger steps. Okay, thank you for me. You're giving